Hello kids, today we are going to learn about shapes and colors. So let's start the video. A square shape, a green color square, a triangle shape, an orange color triangle, a circle shape, a red color circle, a rectangle shape, a blue color rectangle, a star shape, a yellow color star, an ellipse shape, a purple color ellipse, an oval shape, a black color oval, a pentagon shape, a pink color pentagon, a diamond shape, a brown color diamond, a hexagon shape, a red color hexagon, an octagon shape, a black color octagon, a crescent shape, a white color crescent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.